we go. Next project, chop saw stand. This is just the first part of it. A little baseline frame. That's the newest edition. It's gonna come from about right here all the way to about right here when it's all said and done. So that's kind of where we're at. It's kind of hard for me to shoot the fucking welding videos while I'm doing it, so I figured I'd shoot a couple little pieces in the middle of doing it. So what we got here? Got that tacked up. Square. Tight. 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 Boom. And we got so down to drop in. And the chop saw is going to sit on those in here. The reason those are going in is because I wanted to keep it where when you put the chop saw at a 45 or whatnot, you're still able to keep your material on your stand without having your material hanging way off into bumble fucking nowhere. So I ain't got a whole lot of room, so I'm trying to make everything as efficient as possible. My poor garage is just about out of space. My poor TIG bottle's about out. I'm trying to kill it off on this project, so I can go fill it up. If I kill it here, fuck it, I'll go refill it then too. A few more chop saw blades. A Milwaukee one coming soon. I think it's called the Steelhead Diamond Grit. So I'm hoping to cut down on some dust. Maybe a little better cuts, but yeah, that's where we at right now. I gotta go pick up some more materials. I think I might need a little bit more expanded metal, and I think I'm gonna get some 2.5 because that's the height of the chop saw, so the base just sits level and I can slide my material. So yeah, I got enough to get my wheels going and get this bitch standing today, so I'll probably post another video after that. But for now, that's what we got. Hope y'all having a good day, so I'm gonna get back to it. Alright, later.